My name's Natalie Hiscock and Doormatic have recently fitted a new garage door. I did some research for local companies and having seen how long they've been established and in the area, looked at some of the reviews and decided to go with Doormatic. They were very quick at getting back to me, came out, did the survey, all very professional and friendly at the same time. The fitters were brilliant, couldn't fault them. Everything was done but in a very clean, tidy way. So we wanted a neat, clean looking garage door that rolled up and over so that it didn't take up space on the drive, so you can park quite close to it, and there's a high security as well. We wanted to go for black to be in keeping with the house, the scheme and colour scheme that we've got already. We recently replaced our front door, so we wanted a garage door to link in with that. It's literally just a one button click to open and close it. Very straightforward, and there's also a button inside the garage so we can come in through the back into the garage, open the garage door up. It's also got a really good feature which is a security light, so if you're coming in the dark, the garage door opens, the security light comes on and stays on for a short period afterwards. Couldn't fault it, really happy with the look. The speed at which it was fitted, I was quite impressed with that. It only took literally half a day, and we had the whole inside of the door frame changed so that it was all updated and new. Extremely happy with the work that Doormatic have done, and I would 100% recommend them.